Dinah, we have to go.
Paano yung 50 million?
Stay on mission. The next safe crossing is at least a day away. What are we waiting?
Kaipuhan kung makuha ang 50 million, ara mo yan. Kada ko rin nga ipuning tabang dapat napunta sa katawan.
I understand that.
Kaipuhan natong makuha
An
yan.
exposition by Sam.
Mii ako mahari dito yan. Buli ni ina mo.
This is no man's land, Diana. It means no man can cross it, all right? This battalion has been here for nearly a year, and they barely gained an inch. All right, because on the other side, there are a bunch of Germans pointing machine guns at every square inch of this place. This is not something you can cross. It's not possible.
So may ka na lang ning gigibuhod?
We are doing something. We are. We can't save everyone in this war. This is not what we came here to do.
Sa buli ni ina mo, kukuhaon ko ang 50 million.